All right, tell everybody what we're gonna do today.
I forgot.
You forgot? We gotta fix the track hoe you broke, and then we gotta fix.
Hey, I didn't break it. You broke it.
Okay, I think you broke it. And then we gotta fix the bulldozer you broke.
I didn't break that.
I think
You
we did.
broke all of these.
I don't know about that.
Yours.
Hey, tell everybody what shoes you're wearing.
Crocs.
What shoes you got on? That's right. Look, we got matching daddy. We both got our Crocs on. All right, enough shoe talk. Let's get to work, buddy. So this is what Gunner broke. The main boom pin that goes all the way through there.
No, I didn't.
I don't think you did. It's broke about right there. Say, these pins are kind of known to have a kind of a weak spot. They got drilled right there where it's where the grease hole's at. That's where they break. This pin's got about 7,000 hours on it. So.
I did not break it. I didn't break it.
Yeah, I think you did break it. I told you. I said don't pry. I said don't pry on that stump, and you're like, I got this, Dad. And now we got a broken track hoe.
No, fine, then I'll press.
You guys stop recording so I keep telling people you broke it. So, anyways, we're gonna pull this one out of here. This thumb's mounted so far out there, so it kind of puts a lot of pressure on it. And clearing trees and digging in this rock's hard on it. So, I guess it's part of it. Hey, you gonna pull the pin out or am I gonna pull the pin out?
You.
All right, so we're gonna pull
I took your hat.
I see you, goofball. We're gonna pull the pin out and see if the machine shop will make us a new one. That's Wade's welder. He couldn't find time to fix, so Daddy's gonna try to fix it. Think it's up to time?
And then you're going to give it back.
Yeah, look at that, buddy. It's gonna come out of there.
That's easy.
Yeah, it was easy. Not quit on me.
Not quick.
Come on. I don't know if Wade wants it back or not. We'll have to see.
Probably not.
Probably not. You think it's Daddy's to keep now?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
When in doubt, you get a bigger prize. You holding your ears?
Yeah, you hurt my ears.
We'll go with hammer. How's that? This is your favorite tool, isn't it? Hammer?
What?
Boom. Think this side will come out as easy as the other one?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Hope it does. Look, I think it's gonna come.
Well, this one's probably easier.
I think Daddy parked it in just the right spot.
Well, probably not the boom.
I think so.
But why did you coat it and put the boom?
Got plenty of grease on it, don't it?
Daddy, look how far you got out.
Yeah, almost out. Boom, there she goes. Where you broke it at?
I did not break it.
See, that's where that grease hole comes out. Whenever Daddy pumps grease in there, it comes out that hole right there, and it kind of makes a little bit of a weak spot in that pin.
Well, that's not me.
That's not you?
Nope.
All right, get your hand out. All right, so we'll take that to the machine shop tomorrow. Don't knock that over. It's going to smash you. Your Crocs aren't steel toe, boy. So there's the other half of it over there. So.
Yeah. Well, this one's shorter than that one. That
Yeah.
one's higher. That one's shorter.
Yeah, I didn't break right in the middle, did it?
Nope.
Say it's a bummer it broke, but oh well, it's part of operating machinery. All right, next thing we gotta do is we gotta fix the dozer you broke. See how loose the
I
track
didn't
is?
broke it.
We gotta take, We got a track adjuster seal. It's not working properly. I ordered these seals like a year ago and never got around to putting it in. So how about you take the track off and I'll be back in about an hour.
No, I don't know how to.
I'll show you. It's easy. See, look right here. We got our gator link set up right there, and we'll buzz the screws out of that and take the crane or something and pull the track back and see what we got. You ready?
Yeah.
Think you got enough weight to jump on this thing and break it loose? Here we go. Almost. There it goes.
Well, this one's made out of the metal, and the other one wasn't. Daddy, the other one you had, this one's made out of metal, and the other one, what you broke, was made out of.
You gotta tell everybody about the one I broke because I forgot to hit the record button on that one.
You scared me.
I scared you. Okay, I think we're loose now. Let's see if we can get them.
Daddy, whose camera is that?
It's my camera.
It looks different because it has that case on it.
Yeah, that's why Daddy don't tear it up. All right, you ready? You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Get in here. Here we go. There's that one. All right, let me get this last one so I don't fall on your feet.
Okay.
Stand over here a little bit farther.
Okay. Let's get over right here by this track.
Here it goes. That still won't be a pain in the butt. Well, back to the breaker. Yes, Gator. Huh. Goodness gracious.
Daddy, when are we gonna get my Macy's bed set up in my room?
Never gonna get you a new mattress, I guess.
Probably we could set it up at summertime, right?
Yeah. All right, here we go. Look at that.
Why
Come
are
on.
we taking that off?
Boom.
Dad, I thought you were gonna take this part.
Yep, that's the part we gotta take off. Hey, tell everybody what you wanted to be whenever you grow up.
Be a worker.
Like who?
You.
That's right. All right, look, I got your favorite job, buddy. We gotta clean all the dirt out of here. Easy? Look, got you a tool. I'm gonna go inside, take lunch, relax a little bit, and I'll be back in about an hour.
Nope.
We need all this dirt right here cleaned out.
Stay out here.
Oh, you want me to stay out here and help you?
Yeah.
All right, I guess I'll do that too.
There's a big thing. Do I scrape it over?
No, scrape it back behind it. Put it back here.
Back there? I could just go like this.
Yep, scrape it off. Macy's gonna be mad she missed out on this part.
Yep. Well, what if we don't get done still?
Well, if we don't get done, I guess we'll leave some for her, won't we?
Yeah, I'll say some.
Look at that, Daddy got a big piece.
Look at me.
I see you.
I'm just making a big pile so I don't have to just get all the dirt at some time. Hey!
Hey,
Where's me?
did I get dirt in your crop?
Look.
Oh no, here, let's shake it out. You
got
can't
it.
have that.
No.
Look, you're good as new.
What did you do?
I didn't do it on
Why
purpose.
is it on this side?
Well, because something's going on both sides.
That's what happens to me when I'm cleaning out. Like that. Remember when I cleaned out that little tractor?
Yeah.
It
If you cleaned out that little traco, you had dirt from one end of this shop to the other.
again, me and Macy had dirt everywhere, and you
Yes,
had to
you did,
clean it up because there was no garage.
Yeah. One of these days I'm going to learn you how to clean up your own messes.
Hey, it's your mess.
Mm-hmm.
This is how dirty your garage is every time.
I don't know.
Well, look at this.
One of these days I'm going to clean my garage on your chore list. What do you think about that?
That's easy.
All right, keep going.
No, this is gonna be Macy's part.
Well, we got to get it off first. We got to get underneath here. We'll let Macy do the other side.
Okay. We can let her do that. Right there.
Yeah.
We can not let her do this big cloud.
Let her do that big cloud.
Hey,
Hey, all right.
this is
All right.
This is my side.
Well, work faster. I'm catching up with you. Oh, you're gonna catch up with me now?
Can't get down there now.
Look, you got a little bit left down there. You get it?
Easy.
Easy. There you go. All right, good deal. I think we got it. Now we can take it off. We gotta fix this track adjuster right here, buddy. Look, now you got more dirt to clean out of here. You gotta come clean it out for me? Are you? I don't think you need a hammer to clean out the dirt. Look, we gotta clean all this out here, and we gotta slide this thing out the end. Don't that sound like fun?
I'm gonna hammer that in there.
No, I think that's a good way to smash your finger. We gotta make sure this
I'll hold it with
cylinder here, we gotta make sure the chrome's still good on that cylinder.
2 hands.
I think that may be part of our issues. You just want a hammer, don't you? Let's get this cleaned up and get that out of there.
Cause I can get it out better.
You can get it out better if you pat it down. You're supposed to be cleaning it out, and look, you're making sandcastles over there.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. All right, let's show them what we found here on the track adjuster. So this is the way this thing works, is this chrome rod, which this is what I was worried about being bad. A lot of times it's pitted. But I think it's gonna clean up pretty good. It's just got stuff stuck to it. It's not pitted. But come back here, you got these 4 bolts that hold this head on the end of this thing here. And the main seal is actually in there. You can see where it's bypassing.
I'm tired of cleaning
You're
this.
tired of cleaning? There's a secondary seal back there. So I'm gonna get this on the bench, get it all cleaned up before we put any
Can I
new.
stop for now?
Yeah, you can stop for a little bit. Before we put any new
just
parts in,
fell.
we're gonna make sure everything's clean and not pitted. And I did confirm the seals we have are the right ones. So let's clean up our mess.
Wash my hands now.
Let's clean up our mess and we'll wash our hands. All right, look at that mess we made. Holy cow!
You cleaned up.
You sure can make a mess. Look at that, buddy. You got you a big old scoop of dirt. Good job.
I got it from yours.
Yeah, I know you're cleaning mine up too, aren't you? You gonna go dump it over in the pile and then we'll take it outside later?
Yeah.
All right.
But some of this is your mess.
I know, but you're cleaning it up for me. Thank you.
Anyways, because I have a dustpan.
Yep. You're doing a good job. Keep going. You still got some more. You're getting close.
I'm cleaning out this line right here.
All right, my little helper had to go back to school today. But let me show you what I got here. Got the head cleaned off. That's actually the dust seal. The actual grease seal is back in here. Should have videoed some of that, but it's pretty simple. It's just a seal and a backup ring. And then the dust seal just kind of presses in and out. I did get this shaft cleaned up. It does have some pits on it way back in here, but I measured it and it's back far enough to where it shouldn't get into that seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to run this one through this undercarriage. The grease seal back in there did have a big chip out of it, so I'm pretty sure that was a problem. So I'm gonna slide this booger back together and we'll run her and see what happens. I got a hold of the machine shop. They're supposed to have my pin back for this afternoon, so hopefully we'll get it back together as well. I'll get some video of that as well, and then we will be back in business. We're gonna go tear down a house, I believe, is the next thing on the agenda, so sounds like fun. Okay, I'm gonna interrupt this video for just a second to have a chat with some engineer out there somewhere. Now, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but if I was gonna design a track frame, I would not make it with a recessed ditch in it to hold stuff. I'm sure the guy that did that out there has got some crazy excuse that he's gonna explain the common man can't understand, but it's common sense. It's a bulldozer. It's gonna fill up with dirt. It's gonna get in there, it's gonna corrode, it's gonna be nasty. Put some holes in it, let the crap fall through, raise it up, dome it. I could think of a million simple excuses, or a million simple solutions to this instead of making the track frame. I don't know if you can see that, it's like 3 inches deep. It's flat across there and back up. What do you expect is gonna happen? It's gonna fill up with dirt. Okay, I'm over it, that's it, done. All right, I got the track back on the dozer. I may have the dang thing too tight. I'm gonna run it outside, make sure it don't loosen up, and then readjust it. Went ahead and checked final drive oil and just kind of gave it a good once over. I got a freaking mess in the shop, but anyways, we're back on to the other one here. We got the pin. I dropped this pin off the machine shop this morning, and Justin, the guy that works there, lives just down the road. He whipped that bad boy out for me and dropped it off for me here at the house a minute ago. That's service with a smile. So get that thing slid back in and get this thing out of here because I need it tomorrow. So sure gonna work a lot better if it's got the pin in it. All right, guys, I figured I'd show you the setup here real quick, working with myself. Got the crane on the thumb, holding it up. Where are my fingers at? Right there. Got the floor jack stabilizing that. Got the porter power down there. And I believe I got her all lined up to where she's just going to slide right in. There she goes. So it took a little bit of alignment, but she's going. It's always a little more difficult when you're working by yourself, but at least I ain't got anybody to argue with. If it's wrong, it's got to be my fault, right? All right, guys, here's the end of the day report. Pins in, everything's greased. I've got to get one shim made at the machine shop. New pins just a little tick longer, but everything's shim tight from here over. It's just that one there. So that's a real easy one. I can bust that cap off, throw that shim in there. But she's ready to roll. I still got to do the final adjustment on the track, but I'm gonna take it outside and run it first. Now I've got an absolute freaking mess in this shop. I have got to get cleaned up in the morning. Everything's ready to roll out. We're gonna haul this thing out in the morning. We're going to a big 2-story house tear down job. If anybody's wondering, good news, bad news on Gunner. Bad news is he got stuck going with Mom tonight. Good news is she at least got his pants on, right? I don't know if you guys caught that in the first half of the video, but he was walking around with his dang pants inside out. So, oh well, poor kid don't have a chance when he's with Dad. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you could just take a few seconds to hit that thumbs up button. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button. If you want to make sure the first person to see the next video, tap the bell. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you on the next one.